Put the back-breaking work of tilling tough turf behind you and break some ground with the power-packed 24-volt cordless single-wheel mini cultivator plus weeder from Sunjoe. Powered by Sunjoe's exclusive EcoSharp technology, TJW24C's 24-volt lithium-ion battery provides up to 60 minutes of rechargeable runtime for no-fade power and performance and no gas, oil, or tune-ups needed. The perfect power weeder, TJW24C effortlessly slices away weeds and loosens the soil to allow air and moisture to penetrate for healthier roots and plants and to add beneficial amendments to boost growth in the garden. Go where no conventional tiller's gone before with a single 6-inch blade. 10 durable steel tilling tines easily cultivate in tight or cramped quarters, even between plants, for maximum maneuverability and performance. Ultra lightweight at under 4.5 pounds, TJW24C features an ergonomic handle and adjustable pull for optimal comfort and control to take the pain and the strain out of weeding and cultivating. And TJW24C includes a complete 2-year warranty for worry-free performance year after year. So keep your yard and garden looking their best with less stress and go with Joe. TJW24C 24-volt cordless single-wheel mini cultivator plus weeder from Sunjoe. Get equipped.